Greetings everyone and welcome to question number 10 of YÖS Examination Mathematics 2 section. In this question we have tangent of x plus cotangent of x is equal to 4 over square root of 3, and we are asked the tangent square of x plus cotangent square of x. So what is the sum of these two? Now, since we are given tangent of x plus cotangent of x, and we are asked here for their square. So what do we have to do with both sides? We take the power of the power of 2 of the both sides. So what is the value of tangent x plus cotangent x to the power of 2? Is the first number square plus 2 times the first number times the second number plus the second number square. And all this is equal to 4 squared is 16, so square root cancels with the power of 2, so we have over 3, so 16 over 3. Now, what do we know? Tangent of x times cotangent of x is always equal to 1. Why is that? Because tangent of x is always equal to the sine of x over cosine of x, and cotangent of x is always equal to cosine of x over sine of x. As you can see, cosine of x cancels with cosine of x, and we have sine of x cancels with sine of x, so all this gives us the value of 1. So what does that mean? We have tangent square of x plus 2 times 1 plus cotangent square of x equals to 16 over 3. Now all I will do is just put 2 on the other side, and I will be given the answer for this question. So I have tangent of x, tangent square of x plus cotangent square of x, which equals to 16 over 3 minus 2, and that is equal to 3. So we have 16 minus 6, and that is equal to 10 over 3. So this is the right answer for this question. Welcome to question number 11. In this question we have cosine of x minus sine of x equals 1 over 5. What is sine of 2x? The first step that we should do here is to take the power of 2 of the both sides. So we take the power of 2 of the both sides, and what do we have here? We have the first number squared minus 2 times the first number times the second number plus the second number squared. So we have cosine square of x minus 2 times cosine of x times sine of x plus sine square of x, which is equal to 1 over 25. Now what do we know here? What do we have to know? We have to know that 2 times cosine of x times sine of x is always equals to sine of 2x. This is something that we should know. Now what do we have? We have cosine square of x. I will take this on the other side, so plus sine square of x equals to 1 over 25 minus 2 sine of x. When it goes to the other side, it becomes plus sine of 2x. So another thing we have to know is that cosine square of x plus sine square of x is always equal to 1. So now everything is simplified. We have 1 equal to 1 over 25 plus sine of 2x. So sine of 2x is equal to 1 minus 1 over 25, which is equal to 24 over 25. And this is the right answer for this question. Welcome to question number 12. In this question we have sine of cosine to the power of minus 1 of square root of 3 over 2, what is equal to? Now what do we have to know here? We are dealing with cosine of to the power of minus 1. How can I bring this cosine of to the power of minus 1 to the value of cosine? So how can I take the reverse of it? So you have to know something. If we have cosine to the power of minus 1 of x, and I'm going to equal it to y, for example, it's equal to y, what is going to be its reverse? Its reverse will always be equal to x to the cosine of y, which equals to x. So what do we see? In order for me to take the reverse of cosine to the power of minus 1, so to bring it to the cosine, I just switch these two values. So instead of x I write y, and I equal all this to x. So x and y, they just switch their sides. So the reverse of cosine to the power of minus 1 of x, which equals y, it's cosine of y, which equals to x. Now that we know this logic, this process, this rule, now we can easily see what is the cosine to the power of minus 1 of the square root of 3 over 2. So cosine to the power of minus 1 of square root of 3 over 2. If I equal this to x, because we don't know it, we know that cosine of x is equal to the square root of 3 over 2. Now everything is easy because we all know that cosine of 30 equals square root of 3 over 2, which means that the value of x is equal to 30. Now that we found the value of x, which is equal to 30, we will be able to find the sine of 30, which we all know equals 1 over